The problem with wind and water is that they wear things down. The rock and the mountains, memory, bearings are lost. Seems to me there are flowers somewhere around here.
Look at this thing.
Are you nuts about the great outdoors? The kind who will camp anywhere, no matter what the weather? Well, I'm not. The rivers follow the folds of the mountains. As the landscape changes, our Magog River finds its bed. I think it's about time for us to get out of here. These
Dinosaurs.
Cute, but his parents may not be. Erosion is not what you'd call fast-paced. All right, let's use a little elbow grease to speed things up a bit. We'll help nature along by wearing down the landscape. Everyone all together now. Run. There's no other solution unless we want to spend another few million years here.
That area over there is...
Live well, our one orphan. The rocks in this region knew the dinosaurs personally. They also knew the glaciers. Some were even marked by them. This rock was grazed by a glacier. The proof? This scrape that won't heal. Because long after the saltwater ocean, another ocean appeared. An ocean of ice. I should have watched the spider. For nearly 2 million years, long, extreme winters were the norm. The glaciers advanced, merciless invaders covering everything in their path. They left their mark on the rock and scratched our mountains. While the landscape remained frozen and white as far as the eye could see, for 2 kilometers above our heads. And then the ice left by receding, cracking, and melting. On their way, the glaciers reshaped the rivers. By leaving behind debris, they forced the water to find other paths. That's how our Magog River changed beds.
Okay, we're moving.
When the ice melted, the water rose and rose and rose. We are now under fresh water. What then was a small island?